guys, so this is the second video in my festival hair and makeup series, and for today's look, rose gold has become so popular, especially in this last year. So I really wanted to create a look for you guys to kind of capture that. I really love this look and I had a lot of fun with it, and I added some crystals to kind of glam it up for you guys. And so if you want to know how I did this look, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, let's get started. So I already have my foundation, concealer, and eyebrows done, and it is the same routine as my last video. And then my eyes are primed with MAC's Soft Ochre Paint Pot. So the first palette I'm going in with is the Naked 3 palette, and we'll be going in with the shades Limit and Nooner. So first we're going in with the shade Limit on a big fluffy brush. Next I'm going in with the shade Nooner on the same brush. And for this look we're trying to create a halo eye effect, as you can see right here. So you want to really round it around. You don't want it to be darker on this side than it is on this side. You want it to be even throughout. Then with a smaller pointed brush, I'm going to take those same shades under my eye. And we're going to do this with every shade that we put on top is going to repeat it on the bottom. And same thing, you're bringing it all the way in. Next I'm going in with the Venus XL palette from LimeCrime. And the first shade I'll be going into is Flora. And we'll be going in with a smaller blending brush for these next few colors. Then with that smaller brush again, I'm going to bring this down on my outer and inner corner of my eye to start creating a halo effect. Next I'm going in with the shade Triumph. Next I'm going in with the shade Burnt Gold. And I would skip this step if you want it to stay pretty pink, because this kind of tones it down a little bit. Next I'm going in with the shade Blank Canvas to highlight my brow bone. Next I'll be going in with the MAC ProLongwear Concealer in NC15. And you're going to want to take a flat, thin brush, and we're going to use this to cut our crease. So this is going to be a little different because you only want to do it in the center to create that halo effect. I find that it helps to kind of open up your eyes and see if you can see a little bit of it, and kind of use that as a marker of where your natural lid is. And then I'm going to wipe off the excess on my hands and blend it out. I'm going to go in with these two MAC pigments in the shades Rose and Whisper Pink. And I'm going to take that on a small flat brush. And with the shade Rose first, you're going to put this on the outer edges of it, because you want the lightest point to be in the center. And then you'll just lightly pat it towards the center. Then with Whisper Pink, you will put this on the center of your lid. And then you can go back and forth between the Rose and Whisper Pink and kind of just adjust your gradient to your liking. Next, I'm going in with LimeCrime's Diamond Dew in Rose Golds. And I'm just applying that with a small brush and applying that to the center of my lid. Then I'm going to go back in with a little bit of Rose and just kind of blend that in again. Then I'm going to take the Diamond Dew and put that on the center of my under eye. So I'm going to dot it at my lash line and then pull it down. And I just kind of want to blend it. So I'm going to use my fingers a little bit. Then I'm going in with this iMagic Pro Glitter Palette. And I'm going to go in with this rose shade right here. And I'm going to pat that on my lash line where the Diamond Dew is. Next, I'm going to take the Kat Von D tattoo liner in the shade Trooper and line my lash line. Then I'm going in with the Ofra highlighter in Glazed Donut, and I'm going to put that on my inner corner. Then with the Balm Highlight and Contour palette, I'm going to contour my face. Then I'm going in with this MAC bronzer in Golden Bronze. Then I'm going in with that same highlighter from Ofra, Glazed Donut, to highlight my face. Glow, baby, glow. Just go inferno, glow, baby, glow. If you guys haven't caught on yet, I like to have really glowy skin. Almost obsessively, so you know, you see where you need to draw the line. Because I don't have one, apparently. I'm just gonna highlight my entire face. Oops. Oh, that was a little too much. Even for me. Okay. It's okay. Then I'm psycho and I'm going to highlight my face even more with MAC Silver Dusk. I think I'm going to do one more after this too, because I'm insane. So then I'm going to go in with the Bare Minerals highlighter in Clear Radiance. And what I like about this is it has some gold reflex in it. So I'm actually going to focus this more kind of on my cheeks rather than like my brow bone, because it's kind of pink. Or not my brow bone, but my cheekbones. We're done highlighting now, guys. It's okay. You can do as much or as little of that as you want. Next, I'm going to apply mascara and these House of Lash lashes in Iconic Light. Next, for lips, I'm going to go in with the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Lovecraft. Next, I'm going in with this Sugar Pill liquid lipstick in the shade Trinket. And I'm just focusing this on the center of my lips. So if you haven't used Trinket, if my camera can pick it up, I don't think so. It has gold reflex in it, so as you wear it throughout the day, the gold shines through, and it's a really freaking cool lipstick. So I'm applying the crystals to my face with the House of Lashes Clear Eyelash Glue. So I'm just dotting on the glue in the location that I want them in. And then I'll let that dry for about 30 seconds. And I'm just going to keep creating designs on my forehead and wherever I feel like putting crystals. And you kind of just want to have fun with it and do whatever you think will be pretty. And this is the finished look that I got with my crystals. Alright guys, that completes the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. And if you recreate this look, then please take a picture and post it and tag The Art of Ash. I really want to see your guys' work. I hope you guys have a ton of fun and rock your rose gold look. And if you want to know how I did my hair, then I will put the link for the tutorial in the description box. And if you like what you see, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks!